So there are two questions here. There is one question about the theoretical concept of human dignity. There is a second question about the interpretation of the basic law. You know better than me that in the relating the question of the interpretation of the basic law, Elon and Barak disagreed. Elon said explicitly several times that he don't accept the broad interpretation of human dignity, of Kvod Adam, in terms of right to dignity, and he interprets human dignity in Article 2 and 4 in the basic law in a narrow way. And this is a matter of, his general view regarding activism, the relationship between the Knesset and the court, and he thought that the court interpretation is taking power from the Knesset or something. All this view about judicial activism relate to this, and he explicitly said in several cases that human dignity, if you interpret it in a broad way, it can be everything, and it should not be this way. Human dignity, you have to interpret it in a narrow way, meaning dignity against humiliation and degradation. So he said that in several cases. On the other hand, the concept of God's image and human dignity, his Jewish version of human dignity, theoretically, is definitely right. He had an expanded view of what human dignity is. So this is a matter of the theoretical question. And that even more, as I said, I don't think Barak said anytime, I'm not sure, that human dignity entails duties and responsibilities. And Elon insists that on several times. I mean, if you take, but he wrote many cases, by the way. I mean, there are many cases that Elon follow this line of thinking. But by the way, before the enactment of the basic law, if you take all his ruling regarding detainment, imprisonment, prisoner rights, all of this line, he said explicitly, you are not, I mean, he was the most defender of prisoner rights, of freedom against detainment, and all of this he based on the ideas of Jewish law, stating that according to Jewish law, an individual cannot give up his own freedom. So he, from the beginning, was very important for him to emphasize the idea of obligation that is within the idea of God's image and human liberty and then human dignity, all of that. So this emphasis, I think, is peculiar to Elon. But of course, there are a lot of common, before, a lot of common in the theoretical understanding of human dignity as a fundamental principle, humanistic and Jewish. This definitely was coming around. But as I said, in several cases it was even more extreme than Justice Barak. If you take the long controversy regarding the grounds for detainment, so Barak said you can detain a person also for, the severity of the crime, and it always said no, based on his view, based on Jewish law sources. So in several cases it was even more extreme.
Okay, so I'll actually answer all three questions together, so I certainly agree with Buchmann that you don't need to be religiously observant to be interested in Jewish law.